Hey everyone! Have you heard about the latest buzz in the fitness world? I'm talking about the daily 1-minute plank. You might wonder, what can a simple 60-second plank do for you? Well, stick around, and I'll tell you how this quick exercise can transform your body. First things first, planks are a fantastic body weight exercise. No matter how busy your schedule is, you can squeeze in a minute for planks. Trust me, it's worth it. When you do planks every day, even for just 1 minute, you'll be strengthening your entire core. And guess what? Many fitness experts agree that planks are one of the most effective exercises to tone your abs. Yes, even more effective than crunches. Let's dive into the amazing benefits you'll experience. Number 1, planking significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal column injuries. When done correctly, planks strengthen your back muscles without putting too much pressure on your hips and spine. This not only helps ease back pain but also improves your posture. So whether you're sitting or walking, you'll notice a difference. Number 2, planks define your abs. They target every major core muscle, including your obliques and abdominals. As you get better at planking, you'll find yourself getting stronger in other exercises too. For instance, if you're into squats and deadlifts, you'll notice a significant strength increase. And ladies, planking also boosts gains in your booty. Number 3, planks boost your overall metabolism. Since planks are a compound exercise, they engage multiple muscles at the same time. This means you'll burn more calories compared to other abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. Plus, building up your muscles helps speed up your metabolism. The more muscle you have, the faster your metabolism runs. Number 4, planks enhance your overall balance. Ever tried standing on one leg and struggled to stay upright? That's because your abdominal muscles weren't strong enough to maintain balance. Planking for 1 minute every day improves your balance, enhancing your performance in any sport or physical activity. Number 5, planks benefit you mentally. Did you know that plank exercises influence your nerves? This makes them a fantastic method to improve your mood. Planking stretches out muscle groups that are related to stress and tension. When you sit or stand all day, your muscles get tight and tension builds up in your shoulders. This can stress out your muscles and nerves. Through planking, you can calm your mind and help treat anxiety and depression symptoms. So will you start doing planks tomorrow? If you do, come back and share your results after a month of regular planking. Meanwhile, drop a comment below about this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on fitness and the human body, hit the subscribe button. See you next time.